Hello everyone and welcome back to Conn. So in this video we will continue the previous example of Tableau calculation. Okay. So now we will see how to get a calculation either in row wise or column wise. Okay. So I will pick up the same thing, the order date into column. Okay. And since we have only 2015 data, we will just expand this to quarter. Okay, then in the row I'll just select month and day. Okay, just drag and drop to this one. Okay, year and quarter in columns, month and day in rows. Okay, now I will just drag and drop sale into text. Okay, so if I want to know the subtotal or the column total or the row total, then what I will do, just go to analysis menu bar, then go to totals and you just need to click three button. Okay, first you need to click on show row grand total. See, this is the row grand total, right? And then I can go to analysis field, then go to totals, then click on show column grand total. So this is the column grand total. Okay, you can see. Okay, this one 8,72,565 and this one also 10,51,773 and this one 19,24,338. This is the column grand total, right? Then I want subtotal, then go to totals, then click on add all subtotals. Okay, see, you can see the subtotals. In the January month, in quarter one, the sale was 2,74,767. In this way, you can able to know. Okay, so you can see in January month, in 2nd of January, you can see the 24,320 is the highest selling day, right? And in February month, you can see the highest selling day was yes, the highest selling day was 21st of February, which was 56,765, which was also in quarter one. Okay, so in this way you can able to see. Let's take one more example. Okay, so here I'll just take product category and subcategory into rows. Okay, product category and product subcategory into rows. Okay, then I'll just take sale into text. Okay, just take sale into text. Okay, so now if I'll calculate column grand total. Okay, so now suppose if I convert this sum of sale to percentage of total. Okay, I'll just click on sum of sale, quick table calculation and percentage of total. Okay, and go to analysis field, go to totals and go to sum of grand total. Okay, so you can see the entire column combination will give you this 100%. Okay, so now if I want to this furniture one, okay, should be completed as 100%. This office supplies are should be completed as 100% and the technology one should be completed as 100%. One pen is completed as 100%. So this box which called as pen in Tableau. Office supply is one pen, technology is one pen and furniture is one pen. Okay, so for that what I need to do? For that, go to analysis. Okay, click on total, then click on add on subtotals. Okay, you see the furniture total is 34.33%, office supplies total is 28.65% and technology total is 37.01%. But what I want, I want that the total is 100%. Okay, so for that select this sum of sales. Okay, click on compute using and click on pen. See, now the furniture pen total is 100%, the office supply pen total is 100%, and the technology pen total is also 100%, right? And the grand total is obviously it is 100%. Like this is called pen, right? So in furniture you can see the maximum selling subcategory is which one? Chairs and chair mats, which is 39.51%, and the minimum was 14%, which was office furnishing, 14.84%. Similarly in office supplies the maximum is this one, 33%, binders and binders, and the minimum is 0.32%, which is rubber bands. Similarly in technology you can see the maximum is office machine, which is 44.67%, and the minimum is computer peripherals, which is 13.51%. Okay, so in this way you can know what is the highest selling subcategory and what is the lowest selling subcategory. That's all for this video. I hope you have understood. Thank you.
So after the video is over, I will ask questions. So to answer, open my channel and go to the community section and answer all these quiz so that I will know how much you have understood. And if you like my video, then do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.